be unboxing the Disney Doorables multi-pack. This is hard to open. Just get it. Hey, there's doors inside the door. I get 5 doors. I'm gonna open my big door first. Hey, a collector's guide. Let's open the big door. I got a blind bag and a sparkly box. Let's get all my blind bags out first. What's behind this door? Oh yay, another blind bag. What's behind the next door? One more. This is fun. Oh yay, another one. Yay. I'm super lucky because I didn't get 5. I got 6. I'm gonna open the little door last. I got a special edition. And Peter Haps, it's my one fuzzy one in every pack. Every one contains one fuzzy one. Let's open our next blind bag. There were 78 to collect around Series 1. Ooh, this one's from Pinocchio. And he let me check my guide. Pinocchio. He is a common. Next one. Who did I got? Let me see on my collector's guide. It looks like I got someone from Peter Pan, and she is a rare. Every 5, 6, or 7 pack contains a fuzzy figure. 2 more blind bags before we open the special door. Oh yay! I got Pluto from Mickey and Friends, and he's a common. One more before we open the special door. Every pack contains at least 5. 1 in every 4 packs contains 6. And 1 in every 12 packs contains 7. Looks like I got another rare. Elsa. Now let's see what's behind the special glitter door. Remember, you don't always get this when you get a 5, 6, or 7 pack. We're just lucky here on my channel. Who is it? Who is it? I'm gonna reach into my hands. It's the ultra rare Boo from Monsters Inc. Oh. There was a stand in here. Let's put our special edition Winnie the Pooh on this stand. I mean, Hopper Rabbit. I really enjoyed unboxing this for you. I'm going to get my other Disney Doorables so I can show them to you. Let's go! Follow me! They're upstairs. I opened a lot of Doorables. Where'd the little bowl full of collectible toys go? It's in here. I got one. And I also got his playset. It's just a Bell's Castle. Hey, look who's right here. It's Clocksworth. I'm getting like so many glittery ones. There's Stitch. And then now let's go downstairs and see all my Disney Doorables together. Let's put Stitch on this thing. They're all so cute. Well, I have an idea. Let's put all my special ones at the end together. I can't believe I still have no duplicates. Now slowly scroll over all my Doorables. Nope, start at this end. Go really slow. And then slowly go this way. And go back the other way. Okay, bring it back to me. And the great thing is, you can store all your Doorables in the little boxes. Now all your Doorables can be neat and tidy. A lot of Doorables can fit in the tiny door. All my special ones, even the fuzzy one, is gonna go in the tiny little door. Can you believe I found a 6-pack? Only 1 in 4 packs has that. We are so lucky on my channel. Let's just put... Man, this is a great way to store all your Doorables. Too bad I didn't find 2 special doors that are glittery. But 1 door is better than none, right? And these all fit neatly. This is a workout. It's kind of like a puzzle. That's good. Slide the big door up. All your Disney Doorables. Fit in, and then you close it up. And you have a safe spot to keep all your Doorables. See, this pack was never opened. Leave a comment if you like this unboxing and want to see more. Bye-bye.